Guide, I will show you how to add products from DHgate to Shopify. This is something I would recommend to you, but you have to use a Chrome extension and an app called Importify. That's the most easiest way I found myself. So the first thing is you have to install the Importify and subscribe to one of their plans. So you have to use a Google Chrome browser to install their free Chrome extension. Then you have to visit the DHgate website. The next step is to find the product you would like to import and visit the products page. After that, click the add button on the top left of your browser. 6. Edit the product information such as title, description, price, etc. Scroll down and click add product to import the item to your store. I will also link the video that explains the application. So basically the Importify app that allows you to easily import products from DHgate to your Shopify store in the description below. Also, you can use the link to the Importify application in the link to just sign up to one of their plans, so you can easily start importing products from DHgate to Shopify. I wish you all the luck and I wish you a lot of sales. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.